Did you know that Black History Month is more than just a celebration of achievements? It's a journey through resilience, creativity, and the unyielding fight for equality. Introduce the topic by explaining the purpose of Black History Month, a time to honor the contributions of Black individuals throughout history and to reflect on the struggles and triumphs of the Black community. Highlight that it's celebrated in February in the U.S. and Canada, and in October in the UK. Explain that this month serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of diversity, inclusion, and understanding in building a more equitable society. Use an engaging tone to draw viewers into why this month matters, not just for the Black community, but for everyone. Talk about how Black History Month began as Negro History Week in 1926, created by Dr. Carter G. Woodson, a historian often called the father of Black history. Explain his goal: to highlight the overlooked contributions of Black people in history and to combat the false narrative that Black people had no significant role in shaping civilization. Woodson believed that understanding the achievements and struggles of Black individuals would inspire future generations to strive for greatness. In 1976, the week expanded into Black History Month during America's bicentennial celebrations, officially recognized by President Gerald Ford. Ford urged Americans to seize the opportunity to honor the too often neglected accomplishments of Black Americans in every area of endeavor throughout our history. Emphasize that this acknowledgement was a significant milestone in recognizing the central role of Black individuals in shaping history and culture. Explain why it's important to celebrate this month. It's not just about acknowledging the past, but also about educating future generations, fostering pride in Black identity, and inspiring progress toward racial equality. Black History Month creates a space for conversations that challenge systemic biases and promote unity. Highlight that without celebrating this history, vital lessons about resilience, creativity, and humanity could be lost. Highlight influential Black figures whose contributions have shaped history. Frederick Douglass, a former enslaved man who became a powerful abolitionist and writer, advocating for equality and justice in powerful speeches that still resonate today. Harriet Tubman, known as the Moses of her people, she led dozens of enslaved individuals to freedom via the Underground Railroad, risking her life for others. Martin Luther King Jr., leader of the Civil Rights Movement and advocate for nonviolent resistance, whose "I Have a Dream" speech remains a defining moment in the fight for equality. Rosa Parks. Her courageous act of refusing to give up her seat sparked the Montgomery bus boycott, becoming a symbol of resistance against racial segregation. Barack Obama, the first Black president of the United States, a symbol of progress and representation, whose presidency inspired millions worldwide. Include lesser-known contributors like Katherine Johnson, a mathematician whose calculations were critical to NASA's space missions. George Washington Carver, a scientist and inventor who developed hundreds of uses for peanuts, revolutionizing agriculture. Bessie Coleman, the first Black woman to earn a pilot's license, breaking barriers in aviation. Madam C.J. Walker, the first self-made Black female millionaire, whose hair care products empowered Black women. Emphasize that Black History Month is about celebrating contributions across every field: science, art, literature, politics, sports, and beyond. Each story highlights the resilience, innovation, and leadership of Black individuals throughout history. Encourage viewers to take part in meaningful ways. Read books by Black authors, or about Black history, such as The Souls of Black Folk by W.E.B. Du Bois, or The Warmth of Other Suns by Isabel Wilkerson. Support Black-owned businesses, from restaurants and clothing brands to tech startups. Attend events or watch films that educate and inspire. Platforms like Netflix and YouTube often highlight collections during Black History Month. Engage in conversations about race and equality to foster understanding and empathy. Participate in local events like art exhibits, panel discussions, or community service projects. Mention that celebrating Black History Month isn't limited to February or October. It's a mindset and practice that should be embraced year-round. Participating in these activities is a way to show solidarity and commitment to a more inclusive future. End on an inspiring note. Black History Month isn't just about looking back. It's about moving forward. It's a reminder of how far we've come and how much further we can go together. Celebrating this month is a way to honor the past, inspire the present, and build a better future. By learning about and sharing these stories, we ensure that the legacy of resilience, courage, and progress continues to shine. So, what does Black History Month mean to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below.